Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can save the file from Visual Studio Code. So for this, you can use a shortcut method and the method is Shift plus S. Sorry, the key was Control plus S. I repeat, the shortcut key was Control plus S, and after clicking on Control plus S, you can see the saving option have been showing. And the second method is to click on the file button and then you can click on the save as button and it will get saved. After that, if you need another method, and that's called autosave. So for autosave, you don't have to save your file each time manually. You can just click on the autosave and it will save the file automatically each time. So for this, you have to click on the file and click on the autosave, and then it will show the tick mark on the left that you can see here, and that's how you can save the file from Visual Studio Code. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next video.